What's going on, guys? Long time no see. I hope you're all very well. I hope you all had a great Christmas. I hope you all had a fantastic New Year. I certainly did. This is it, guys. This is season 2. I'm back and I'm ready to get going, and I have got some great videos coming your way. I've made quite a lot of videos while I've been off the air, and I've changed quite a lot in the background on my YouTube as well. So everything's going to be changing, and yeah, I've even got a new series coming out, guys, and it's going to be called Drive It with AJ. The reason is I've scrapped the Art Attack ST episodes for now. It might come back, it might not for a while, but some of you liked it, some of you didn't. So I've made a new series called Drive It with AJ, and you will see that in a few months' time. I still need to sort out a few things with it. But yeah, guys, I'm back. This is season 2, and I've got some exciting videos, as I was saying. I'd love to show you the ST right now. I've still got it, don't worry, guys. I can't just yet because it's going to be a reveal video coming out in a few months' time. Without further ado, guys, should we get into the video? Yeah, cool. Grab yourself a drink, I have, and sit back. I'm going to watch it too, guys. Sit back, relax, and this is what you can expect over the next several weeks. Enjoy.
I'd like to thank Auto Specialist for sending that out as well, so thank you guys. You got any products you want to just throw my way? So yeah, I'm just, like I said, it's dark in here and I want to go in.
Good morning, guys. Mr. AJ Focus. I'm back with another episode today.
I think got some OFO. Alright guys, I'm going to bash this out really quickly. Alright. Like I said, it's freaking freezing out here. I'm sorry about the hoover in the background, my dad's hoovering his car very quickly. Hopefully they're going in a second. First thing you need to do, guys, obviously jack up your car, remove your front wheel. Alright then. There's people wanting to know about my brake caliper colour. There it is. Pearl blue. Camera's not going to bloody focus it. That's what I need to get done. I already wiped it back, but like I said, it is raining today. It's Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas to you all. This video, time it comes out though, it would have gone past Christmas. But yeah, it's Christmas Eve today. Again, all back to the occasion.
For getting me in as quickly as he did, because we were booked in to get done before Christmas, but because it was a present from my family, I had to ring them up and change it to after New Year.
Curved it. So it's some sort of like texture. Looks like it's supposed to be there. So we will see an install video very soon.
Good morning, guys, good afternoon. Whenever you're watching this, you're back with another episode. This is an install video with Mr. AJ and his Focus. This is a custom do-it-yourself video today.
What's going on, guys? AJ Focus. I'm back doing a little bit of unboxing today. So as you can see here, let's get straight into it, shall we? Yep. These are the old lights. Oh, nuts. That didn't go to plan. God damn it. You guys, is obviously remove this here, because this is under here, you need to get to it under here. So first thing you need to do, try and remove that. Okay, that now, because the wiring is then this wire would be nice and free or loose, but one unit now, so 2 separate units. Either end. Alright, after you pop that off. Good morning, guys, or good afternoon, whenever you're watching this. You're back with another episode of me, Mr. AJ. I've got an install video today. Yeah, I know. Back to the installs. Now we get these standard Mark II fittings into the facelift. If you've not watched my opening series to this series 2,
Then go and watch that now.